Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming my makeup collection for you guys. I wasn't going to film it at first because my collection is quite small, but even if you guys don't watch it, I want to watch it just to see how my collection continues to grow. So I'm super excited about that. I just signed up for the Sephora Play Box and I'll be having that come in every month, and I'm on Ipsy's wait list. And aside from that, I just want to start trying new things and just expanding my collection, especially in specific areas like my foundations and my eyeshadows and things. So I felt like I should go ahead and film it and just have it on my channel for whoever wants to watch it and for myself. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, if you want to see my makeup collection, then just keep on watching. Let's get this show on the road. Oh, let me close my blinds so that I don't have weirdos finding out where I live and coming to find me. So this is where I film, and I film right here because I have these huge windows that give me a lot of light. And how I set up my phone is I basically take two shoe boxes, and I typically use like one of these big vodka bottles just to like prop my phone up because it's heavy, so my phone can't be like, you know, slide it around anywhere. So yeah, this drawer right here houses most of my makeup for the most part. I just have like single shadows, my Maybelline shadows, and then I have this Almay one right here that I don't like, this Milani one, a L'Oreal, what are these, Infallible? Yeah, the L'Oreal Infallible single shadow, and then this e.l.f. trio. I really like that. I like the Maybelline and the L'Oreal singles, they're really good. I have my glitters right here, and then I have these Wet n Wilds. Like they're like, I don't know how to explain them. They're like jelly glitters. I really don't like them, but I still have them. Then I have my NYX glitter primer, of course. I have all my highlighters in this next one, and I just have two of the e.l.f. Wet n Wild and then Maybelline Master Chrome. This is my favorite one out of all, and I'll show you my highlighting palette because I have favorites in there as well. And then you come over here, and these are my setting powders. So this is like my pressed one, this is my loose one. I like to use this one to bake with. Then I have my bronzer, which is this Milani baked bronzer. And then I have a darker face powder that I can use to warm up my face if I want. I have a couple blushes over here. I don't really use blush, but I keep them in front of me because I want to start using them. In this little open space, I just keep like my sponge and my tape. Over here, I have my foundations, the Milani Conceal and Perfect LA CoverGirl. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation. Oh, and this is supposed to be here too. My Maybelline Fit Me. And then I have my concealers back here. So I have the Rimmel Match Perfection and the Wet n Wild Come Correct. And then I have my primers back here. This is the Maybelline Master Prime, and this is the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. Y'all can see I'm a huge fan of Maybelline. Then you come over here, and I have my mascaras, and I have a couple liquid liners. I have this LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil that I like to use in my waterline. I have this brow pencil thing. It's like a stick that you can use to kind of like slick down your brow hairs and things. Then I have a brow gel, my Salon Perfect brow pomade that I always use, my lash glue, a couple lashes, like my favorite ones, and then these like ones that I wear when I'm wearing like no makeup, or you know. And then I have some tweezers right there to help me put my lashes on. Over here, I'm not going to go through everything in this drawer or in this box because I have a lot of lip products, but some of my favorites are this Revlon lip gloss in Sandstorm, and then this is my favorite lip gloss, which if y'all don't know by now, what the hell, 930 Truffle Teas. That's my favorite. And then I like this lip liner a lot. This is the Milani Color Statement lip liner in the shade All Natural, and I really like this red what is this? I think it's Pioneer. Yeah, this red Maybelline liquid lip. And I also like this Milani liquid lip, and this is in the shade More Matte. So yeah, those are some of my favorites. That's why they're like down here. These I don't really touch so much. So yeah, that's my that's this drawer. I got all these clear organizers from Dollar Tree, and they actually worked out very well. I'm just kind of like bummed because I was hoping I could fit 4 in a row right here, but they won't fit quite right. So that's all that's in that drawer. Then when you come over to this drawer, we've got some powder brushes, and I keep my powder brushes up here because the rest of them are in this little cabinet down there, but they don't fit, like they're kind of like smushed, so I don't want to like ruin the shape or anything, so I just lay them in here. And then we have my Profusion highlight palette that my dad got me that I love, like this palette and then the e.l.f. highlighter. Those are my favorite highlights. I used this blue one today and oh my god, I'm shook. Anywho, I also have my Jaclyn Hill palette in here because like these are things that can't fit in this drawer but that I need. So they're in this drawer so that I can easily access them. Then you come down here and we have my like extra eyeshadow palettes that I don't really use anymore, as well as some eyeliners or whatever, lip liners, I don't know. I don't use those either. I need to get rid of them, but I can't. And then we have some like body paint that I got on sale right after Halloween, so I just have it so that next year I can do, or this year I can do Halloween looks. And then I have extra things that I don't really use, like this brown mascara, this liquid liner, and this eyelash glue. And then you come down here and I have my brush cleaner. I have some tools for my makeup. Like this has like scissors in it, so I use those to cut my eyelashes. And then my eyeshadow brushes, all my other brushes are right here, as well as an extra sponge. And then behind it is just a palette that I use for my foundation sometimes. Then you come down here and you have some wipes and my mirror that I use when I'm filming, as well as a few extra like handheld mirrors, my mixing bowl for when I dye my hair and things, and a makeup bag. And then these are just the wheels that go to my table. So yeah, that is basically it. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoy. And if you have any questions, if there's any videos that you would like for me to film, even if it's not makeup related, let me know. Leave those suggestions down below because I will be more than happy to kind of expand the content that I have on my channel. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!